just want to do a quick video on cleaning out your throttle body. So I'm about to do that here on my 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse Spider. So I bought this whole kit, and there's a bunch of different pieces to it. There's a fuel system cleaner, and there's a bunch of one that's like kind of like seat foam, and there's this throttle plate and carb cleaner. So basically, to use this, I'm about to do that. You basically just have to loosen the clamp on your throttle body here. And as you can see in mine, it's, kind of, there's a lot of dirt near the bottom. You can see that. And it's definitely like a little reddish. So what we're going to do is just kind of spray some of this stuff in there. Whoops, broke the tab off there. So spray a little bit of that in there. And then wipe it clean. So I have a little rag here. So I'm just going to wipe it with this towel I got here. And then you'll be able to see the color of it. So yeah, I just sprayed the spray in there. Now I'm just going to put this little rag in there and clean it out a little bit. As you can see right there, there's a lot of black there. So just kind of keep cleaning it out, spray it and clean it out. And then there's a little flap there, so you want to make sure that, as you can see right here, that's really, really dirty. So you can see how it's brown, and then there's some dirt. You see the streak that comes from the inside. So there should be a way to kind of, push it in a little bit with your finger to open the throttle body, and then clean inside there as well. Like just kind of get underneath there, spray it quite a bit. On most cars you're going to find, and this was as easy as just loosening this, this bolt here, and then just pulling this off, pulling the hose from the air box here off that, and just spray it out a bunch and clean it, and just spray it and clean it. And so I'm just going to do that a number of times. Make sure you got a clean rag and just keep spraying it out and cleaning it, because what happens is the throttle body will get tight and stuck there if if you don't have it clean, and it's just not gonna, you're gonna have dirt getting into your engine. So just go ahead and spray it, clean it, spray it, clean it. Once you're done cleaning it out though, make sure that you let it sit for a little bit. You don't want to start the car up, because there's probably ether or something along those lines in this stuff that's flammable. So you want to make sure you leave the car sit for a little bit before starting it up and taking for a ride. But and also when you put it back together, make sure that it's clamped down tight and the hose is good without any leaks. But it's as simple as spray and wipe it out. That's about all there is to it. So hope this was helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you like. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching my video.